Hello and welcome to my first tutorial. Today we'll be learning about the text window. So we're going to go ahead and name it by putting apostrophe and then the title, text window. Our first function will be TextWindow.WriteLine. So this allows the computer to write a message. So our first message will be, hello, how are you? What is your name, sorry. Then we will create a variable. So to do this, we just write whatever we want to call it, and then equals. So we're calling this one name. So then our next function is TextWindow.read. This allows the computer to read the user input. So now we're going to go ahead and put TextWindow.pause, which pauses the text window, and TextWindow.clear, which clears it of all the writing that was previously on the page. Now we're going to put TextWindow.WriteLine, and we're going to write hello plus name. So this will insert the name that was the user put before, and then we're going to say how are you, and now we're going to create another variable called mood. So we're just going to write mood equals TextWindow.read. So now that that's been done, TextWindow.pause and TextWindow.clear. Our final lines of code will be TextWindow.WriteLine, goodbye, and now we're gonna get ready to run that code. T-tech. And so what will happen here is that the next time you go on, it'll say, hello T-tech, how are you? And then you can enter what it wants to say, and it says good, and it says goodbye. And that's the end of my program. Thank you for watching, and if you want to save your work, press the save button. Goodbye.